This is the Earth Engineers channel. I'm your name is Peter. What we are having today is an alarm panel where various intrusion detectors are connected to help us detect intrusion. On this alarm panel, a siren is connected, motion detectors are connected, door contacts are connected, photoelectric beam sensors are connected, as well as CCTV cameras can be connected on an alarm panel. What we are looking at today is what we call the time delay. Time delay means the time taken by the panel to officially start detecting and trigger, say, an alarm in case intrusion is detected. And what is the importance of the time delay? The time delay it gives you room to exit an ambush zone. This mainly applies to you who is arming the system. So imagine when this panel is in a corridor, and in that corridor there are motion sensors, some motion detectors. Immediately, should you arm the system like this, and there's no time delay, and then you move, you see what happens? The system immediately will make an alarm, meaning that is a false alarm because it is you the system has detected. Now, the system was given a time delay. In case you want to arm this system and you're exiting the house, it gives you a certain allowance to leave the house or to leave an area before it starts detecting and triggering alarms. That is what we call the time delay and the importance of the time delay. Now, with the time delay, we go into the system settings.
Please input password.
By saying we input the system password. You go into the system, and when you go into the system, yes, it is there. There's switch, password, language. Now we are looking at the time delay. That's what we're interested in. We say this is the time taken for the system to start working. Now, we have the entry delay and the exit delay. It's all the same. Exit delay is the time given to you before you exit. Entry delay is the time given to you as you enter to allow the system, before the system starts working officially. Now, we are saying the exit delay. Here, it gives you the time to say you can set a time delay between 1 and 1,000 seconds. Now, when you come to the time delay here, minus the time delay, in case there is no time delay in the system, let us look at a situation when the system has no time delay. I've removed the time delay. Time delay is 0. I'm going to arm the system, and there's no time delay.
System on. System is on.
Immediately it starts making the alarm. Now I'm going to look at the system.
Please input password.
You want set. You go to settings. You look for time delay. Here there's time delay, which is exit. I'm going to set like maybe, let me say 15 seconds. 15 seconds enough for me to leave my room, to leave where the panel is to my bedroom, or to exit the house. Let me set 15 seconds enough. I'll put 10 seconds. I said, okay. Okay. Now, when there are 10 seconds, say okay. So let us arm the system Now let us on the system and see how this works.
System R.
You see, it has started counting. Even if I move, nothing happens now. It's done. The 10 seconds are done. Any movement,
System disarm.
detected my motion. What the motion detector is here. Detected my movement of my hands. Let us do it again. Settings, delay. Okay. Let us try to increase the time for around 20 seconds. Is it bigger as well? 20 seconds. Is it okay? Okay. Go back and type on the system and see. The moment you arm, it will start counting here, the time and seconds. Arm and see.
System R.
Listen. 16, 14, 13, 12, 11. Oh, nothing. Nothing is happening. 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. Now, any time from now.
System disarm.
Because it found when immediately it clocked to 0, it found when my arm was moving. So it immediately had to trigger an alarm. So that is the importance of the time delay in an alarm system. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.